Driven by the conviction that every person deserves a stable and affordable place to call home, we were thrilled to partner with Habitat for Humanity to work locally, addressing the unique housing needs of communities around the globe. We had the unique opportunity to witness the impact firsthand. As a team, our efforts were focused on a special project, a home for a local veteran who served over 20 years in the Army. In 2026, him and his family will become proud homeowners for the very first time. And we were part of making that dream a reality. On site, we framed the stairwell, ensuring that the home structure was stable and safe. We then applied foam and installation throughout the first and second floors, contributing not just to the house's physical integrity, but also to warmth and comfort. Every nail we hammered and every piece of installation we applied represents hope and opportunity for the family. Together with Habitat for Humanity, we can help pave the way to a brighter future for families, one home at a time. Let's create a world where everyone has a decent place to live.